All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol MIST, Milestone Pharmaceuticals Inc. And wow, was this a bullish move? Crazy. It brought itself all the way up to about $10, and then it just dropped back down to 7 and some change once it closed, but it still brought itself from $3. I mean, that's almost like 3 times, 2 times the return, regardless of wherever you exited or stayed. And if you even believe this is going to continue, I mean, there's potential there, but that was a big move. For everybody that is a first time viewer, welcome to my channel. For all my subscribers, I just want to go ahead and say thank you for always supporting me, encouraging me, and giving me great feedback on my information. You guys find it helpful, and I always appreciate that. And also, all the new subscribers, check it out. Look into my channel. See all these different videos. And if it's your first time and you find it worthwhile, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you can get notified because I post daily videos. And also, at the end of this video, there's going to be another video on a series that I'm doing that's called Is the Stock Market Crash Coming? And I find that video to be filled with information. And a lot of people so far have been telling me how great it is. And I want everyone, and you guys specifically, my new viewers, and even my subscribers that have missed out on it or haven't had the time to watch it, to click it, watch it, and see what's been going on for the last couple of months and how we're in a bullish market due to the Feds supporting it. So check it out and don't miss out on that great information. So let's jump into this chart. I'm going to show you guys the resistance level, the support level, and so forth. So you guys are ready to see what to do tomorrow, especially people that are stockholders that came in later in the day, or if you are holding before the run, you're not sure if it's time to get out or not. Well, at least you have some points of reference to see how this stock behaves tomorrow, and you're able to go ahead and make a decision from there. So check it out. I mean, this moved very quickly down, very quickly back up. So this stock is not playing with anybody, and it's not waiting for anybody to make the decision. So you got to react pretty quickly with the volatileness this had. So unless you're a firm believer that this is a long hold, and you know, at least you'll have this information to guide yourself from. So this closed out at 760. The 50-day moving average is 522. So as long as this stays above 522, if I can land it on 522, it's not landing on it. Well, 522 is the 50-day moving average. If it stays above it, bulls are in full control. But as the days go on, this 50-day moving average is going to continue to get closer and closer to the price. And at some point, the bears are going to take advantage of that and tear through it and bring this to newer lows back into bearish territory, obviously. And as we can see, this stock played around hanging out with the 50-day moving average for quite some time. And this bullish run here is nothing new for this stock. This stock did this already once way back a month ago, and it hit like $7. So this is not something out of the ordinary for this stock. This stock used to be well above $20, and it fell down since this whole crash back down to like $2. So it's had two small bullish runs before this big one, but this was the highest one before, and it was 716, and here we are now reaching new highs of about $10 since, the fall. So very low volume here too, as you can see, and volume increased, selling, volume increased, and so forth. So there's some interesting things correlating here to this stock. Now, the support level is 671. If the bears break through 671, they haven't destroyed this chart just yet, but they are getting closer to the 50-day moving average. And all it takes is to cross through that 50-day moving average, bringing it anywhere down here, and the bears have won. They're gaining control, and two things can happen from that. Either the bears maintain it down there and keep this in bearish territory, or the bulls reappear, but they're going to have to reappear hefty and strong with this type of volume. We're talking about going from 2,200 shares being traded to 23, 70,000, 356,000, 600, right? 1 million shares, 600,000 shares, 800,000 shares, all that total volume of buying power to bring this one back up from here back up to here. So that's something to keep in mind there for the bulls. They're going to have to come strong and hefty. On the other side of things, if the bulls want to continue this bullish run and continue to push themselves away from the 50-day moving average, keeping it in bullish territory, bulls will need to break through the first resistance level of 910. If the bulls can break through that and use this as support, they can then start to work their way towards 958, and then obviously the last one of $10. And if they're able to break through $10, they can hit newer highs and work their way up towards bullish rally to continue. So this is going to be very interesting how it plays out tomorrow. I know that it closed out at 891 at market close at 4 p.m. and at 8 p.m. it was already at 760. So we're going to have to see who wins this tug of war tomorrow and who starts it off too, and how it goes throughout the day. But as always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. Share it with your friends and community. And don't forget to hit that video that pops up right there to the top left so that you guys can benefit from that information. And if you find it worthwhile and you haven't subscribed already, I encourage you to hit that button, subscription button, and hit the bell so you can get notified when I post my videos. Thank you for watching.